Good day everyone! We are now going to discuss about trigonometric ratios in Analyze Math. Trigonometric ratios. The study of trigonometry is central to the concepts of acute angles and right triangles. Acute angle. It is an angle whose measure is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. We use Greek letters such as alpha, beta, gamma, theta, or phi to denote angles. Consider the right triangle at the right. The side opposite the right triangle is the hypotenuse. The legs of the right triangle are referenced by their position relative to the acute angle theta. One side is opposite theta and the other is adjacent to theta. The lengths of the sides of the triangle are used to define the 6 trigonometric ratios of theta: sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. Sine theta is side opposite theta over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is side adjacent theta over hypotenuse. Tangent theta is side opposite theta over side adjacent theta. Cotangent theta is side adjacent theta over side opposite theta. Secant theta is hypotenuse over side adjacent theta. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse over side opposite theta. Let's find the 6 trigonometric ratios based on the figure. For the sine theta, side opposite theta over the hypotenuse. So the side opposite theta is 3, while the hypotenuse is 5, so that is 3 over 5. The cosine theta is side adjacent theta over the hypotenuse. The side adjacent theta is 4, while the hypotenuse is 5, so that is 4 over 5. The tangent theta is side opposite theta over side adjacent theta. So the side opposite theta is 3, while the side adjacent theta is 4, so that is 3 over 4. The cotangent theta is side adjacent theta over side opposite theta. The side adjacent theta is 4, while the side opposite theta is 3, so that is 4 over 3. The secant theta is hypotenuse over the adjacent the side adjacent theta, so that is the hypotenuse is 5, while the side adjacent theta is 4, so that is 5 over 4. The cosecant theta is hypotenuse over the side opposite theta. The hypotenuse is 5, while the side opposite theta is 3, so that is 5 over 3. Let's find the 6 trigonometric ratios based on the figure. Let's find first the missing side, which is the hypotenuse. A is equal to the 4 meters and B is equal to 7 meters. So we will now use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. So we all know that A is 4. So C is equal to square root of 4 squared plus b, which is equal to 7 squared, which is equal to the square root of 16 plus 49, which is equal to square root of 65. Sine theta is side opposite theta over the hypotenuse. So side opposite is 7, while the hypotenuse is square root of 65. So we will rationalize this one because we don't like to have radicals on the denominator. So 7 over square root of 65 multiplied by square root of 65 over square root of 65 is equal to 7 square root of 65 over 65. Cosine theta is side adjacent theta over the hypotenuse, which is equal to 4 over square root of 65. So same on the sine theta, we don't like to have radicals in the denominator. So 4 over square root of 65 multiplied by square root of 65 over square root of 65. So in that way, we will rationalize it. So that is equal to 4 square root of 65 over 65. Tangent theta is equal to side opposite theta over side adjacent theta. Side opposite is 7, while the side adjacent is 4. So that is equal to 7 over 4. Cotangent theta is side adjacent theta over side opposite theta. Side adjacent is 4, while the side opposite is 7. So that is equal to 4 over 7. Secant theta is hypotenuse over side adjacent theta. The hypotenuse is square root of 65, while the side adjacent is 4. So that is equal to square root of 65 over 4. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse over side opposite theta. So that is equal to square root of 65 over 7. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Please subscribe now to Analyze Math.